this what comes to your mind when you think of visiting dentist in India? Are you still under the impression that Indian dental clinics lack modern technologies? Then let me burst this bubble of misconceptions for you. Over the years, dentistry in India has evolved. Some technological addition now dentists use to meet the global benchmarks are: number 1, intraoral scanners for digital dental impression. Number 2, 3D X-ray and loop for enhanced visualization and better precision for minute structures. And number 3, in-house CAD/CAM machines that provide single visit crown, bridges and veneers. Dental treatment in India can vary significantly based on the type of the procedures, but as many clinics are well equipped to accommodate patients with short trips in mind. You can embark on a dental wellness journey as you visit in India. Here is the gist of time that you can expect. The initial consultation with the doctor shall take around 30 to 60 minutes. For the basic treatment like filling, teeth whitening, teeth cleaning, it will take around 1 to 2 hours. With AI aided in CAD/CAM crown fabrication machines, you can now get crowns and veneers in a single visit. Wanting to get a replacement of your missing tooth on your trip to India? No worries, as with better material and techniques now available in dentistry, you can get best implant treatment and bridge replacement in least possible time. Do you still think the local anesthesia is not as effective in dental clinic as abroad? Let's talk about some of the recent advancement in anesthesia and pain management that Indian dental clinic offers. Number 1, advanced injection system helps to administer it accurately, comfortably and ensure that treated area is numb. Number 2, with newer formulation of anesthetic agent which have long-lasting effect and work faster, we can manage pain more effectively. And number 3, advancement of topical anesthesia in the form of gel and spray make them more effective and less irritants. All this not only enhance the efficacy of dental procedures, but also give you a pleasant visit. Hope it helps. To know more, read the caption given below. Thank you.